All right, if you're looking at engineering colleges around Vellore, let's talk about Sree Krishna College of Engineering. The TNEA Code is 1438. We're going to break down everything you and your parents need to know for your admission planning.
So, what's the headline here? Well, this is a self-financing college, which means it's privately managed. It's been around since 2010, and really importantly, it's affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. That connection to Anna University is a big deal. It sets the standards for their courses, exams, and the degree you'll eventually get.
Okay, so let's get the basic facts straight. Who are they really?
Here are the quick details. The full name, as you know, is Sree Krishna College of Engineering. It's a self-financing college tied to Anna University. And of course, it's co-educational, so it's open for both boys and girls. Simple as that.
Now let's get to what you're probably most interested in. What can you actually study here? Let's check out the BE programs they have.
The college takes in a total of 210 students for its first-year engineering programs. You know, that's not a huge number, which could mean a more focused, close-knit kind of learning environment for your batch.
So you've got 5 BE programs to choose from. Mechanical engineering has the most seats with an intake of 60. Then you have the 2 big ones, computer science and electronics and communication, both with 45 seats each. Rounding out the list are civil and electrical and electronics, both offering 30 seats.
Okay, you know what you can study, but how do you get in? And what's life like on campus? Let's look at the practical stuff.
This is super important for you to understand. 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota, through the TNEA counseling process. The other 35% are for the management quota, which means the college handles those admissions directly.
Now about financial aid. There are several government scholarships that eligible students can apply for. You've got the First Graduate Scholarship, which is a huge help for many families. Plus, there are specific scholarships available for SC/ST, BC/MBC, and OBC communities, as well as for minority students.
Thinking about living on or near campus? The college has separate hostels for boys and girls, which is great, and the mess serves both veg and non-veg food. If you're commuting, they have their own college buses. And for anyone coming by train, the closest railway stations are Katpadi and Gudiyattam.
All right, let's wrap up by looking at the college's official credentials. This stuff is all about trust and stability. So, like we said at the start, the college was set up back in 2010. That means it has over a decade of experience under its belt, which is a good sign of stability. Now, this is probably the most important checkmark for any parent. The college is approved by the AICTE for the academic year 2025-26. This approval is basically the government stamp confirming that the college meets the national standards required to offer you a proper engineering degree. It's a must-have. Just so you know, all the information we've shared today comes directly from the college's official website and government portals as of the time we put this together.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.